Digital products, ranging from sophisticated software applications and mobile apps to richly formatted ebooks and online courses, stand out as some of the most powerful examples of scalable intellectual property in today's market. They allow creators to distribute high-value content to global audiences almost instantly and at virtually no marginal cost, completely disrupting traditional manufacturing and distribution models. In my view, this unlimited replicability not only accelerates revenue growth, but also democratizes access to knowledge and innovation, empowering entrepreneurs of all sizes. Moreover, digital products benefit from clear, well-defined lifecycle phases: ideation, development, launch, growth, maturity, and decline, each demanding unique strategies. For example, the development stage requires significant upfront investment and rigorous quality assurance, whereas the growth phase hinges on targeted marketing, user feedback loops, and platform optimization. As the product enters maturity, ongoing maintenance, feature updates, and community engagement become essential to retain market share. Finally, planning for eventual decline through price adjustments, bundling with newer offerings, or transitioning customers to next-generation solutions helps sustain long-term profitability. Understanding and actively managing each of these lifecycle stages is, in my opinion, the key to maximizing both financial returns and enduring impact within the ever-evolving digital economy. Scalable intellectual property, in my view, covers digital creations such as software platforms, online courses, ebooks, and customizable templates that can be duplicated and delivered to any number of customers with almost zero incremental expense. Unlike traditional service offerings, where each new client demands additional time and resources, these assets are built once yet sold infinitely, unlocking exponential growth potential. From development through ongoing maintenance, each lifecycle phase demands tailored strategies: rigorous QA and beta testing during creation, targeted launch campaigns and SEO optimization at market entry, continuous feature enhancements and community engagement throughout growth and maturity, and end-of-life planning via bundling or version upgrades to sustain revenue streams. By mastering each stage, ideation, production, distribution, scaling, and eventual iteration, entrepreneurs can maximize both profitability and enduring impact in a digital economy that rewards replicability and network effects. The one-to-one service model inherently caps revenue because every new client demands a proportional investment of your time, expertise, and energy. I believe this structure creates a ceiling. Once your available hours are spoken for, growth stalls. By contrast, the one-to-many approach liberates earnings from direct time constraints. Here, you develop a high-value digital asset, whether it's software, a course, or a template, once then distributed to countless customers simultaneously. This detachment of revenue from hours worked transforms your business into a scalable engine capable of generating passive income around the clock. Crucially, it shifts your focus from repetitive delivery to strategic innovation, marketing optimization, and community building. As engagement scales, network effects amplify reach. Satisfied customers become advocates, driving referrals without extra effort on your part. In my view, embracing the one-to-many model is essential for anyone seeking sustainable growth, freedom from the hourly grind, and the exponential profit potential that defines the modern digital economy. Digital product lifecycle management unfolds across 4 distinct phases, each of which I find demands its own playbook. During launch, the priority lies in generating buzz through targeted marketing campaigns, gathering early adopter feedback, and iterating rapidly to address initial pain points. In the growth stage, the focus shifts to scaling infrastructure, optimizing user acquisition channels, and establishing reliable support systems to handle surging demand. Maturity calls for ongoing feature refinement, diversification of revenue streams, such as add-ons or integrations, and careful cost management to preserve margins. Finally, renewal challenges us to innovate, whether through major version releases, pivoting into adjacent markets, or reimagining the value proposition to reinvigorate interest. By mastering these phase-specific strategies, one can maximize lifespan, profitability, and competitive edge in the dynamic digital economy. The Launchpad to Profit course kicked off with a precision-engineered pre-sales strategy. We deployed segmented email sequences, exclusive early bird discounts, and a countdown timer to spur urgency and secure initial enrollments. During growth, I tapped into affiliate partnerships with top industry influencers, ran laser-targeted social media ad campaigns, and hosted a series of value-packed free webinars, each designed to convert curious prospects into committed learners. In the maturity phase, we prioritized systematic content updates, weaving in learner feedback to refine modules, and fostered a vibrant community through live Q&A sessions, member-only forums, and peer-to-peer collaborations. Renewal then introduced an elite mastermind tier, complete with personalized coaching calls and high-impact peer masterminds, alongside a seamless annual subscription model that unlocked predictable recurring revenue. I believe this disciplined, phase-specific blueprint empowered us to multiply profitability, deepen customer loyalty, and establish a truly passive income engine without adding any extra operational burden.